go-tos.
So part of the reason I like this as well is it just has a much better smell than a Bengay. If you've used Bengay, you know that there's an odor that goes along with it. A lot of us think of our grandparents. Let's say, for example, you use your phone a lot and you have a lot of pain in your wrist. You just take a little bit like this, place it on whatever hand you need to. You'll rub it into the surface. You're immediately gonna smell. And part of the thing that works with this is not that it's just affecting your skin and where you're directly applying it. It's that smell is going to reach your nose, which is gonna go through the olfactory system, connected to the limbic system, telling your body that you're safe, that you're not in a position of danger. As you rub it into the skin, it tells the muscles to relax. As the muscles relax, your circulation increases.